Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our foam metal polishing cone. The foam metal polishing cone is perfect for polishing metal surfaces as its shape is beneficial for use on items such as wheels, exhaust tips, low and hard to reach trim, and any other place where you want to do some polishing that requires the power of a machine but can't quite fit even our smallest of dual action polishers. The foam metal polishing cone features a very soft, low density foam so it can conform to tight or strangely shaped trim pieces and is attached to a generic bit that can be used with cordless, electric, and pneumatic drill setups. A unique feature of the cone is the shaft sleeve. It allows you to hold the drill shaft and apply more pressure or leverage on the cone without losing control of your drill or the cone itself. This feature is especially useful in tight quarters and areas where high oxidation is present, where the cone may grab and tug at the surface. I use the foam metal polishing cone for intricate wheels, multi-spoke or mesh style, and it's great for barrels of deep dish wheels where you really can't fit any other polishing tool. Use the cone on any metal surface that needs polishing, including chrome, aluminum, magnesium, stainless steel, and even PVD coatings, which is a topic that we've been getting a lot of questions about. Our foam metal polishing cone is the perfect tool for polishing metal and hard to reach painted areas around your car, truck, or motorcycle. For any job that needs a little more grunt than you can apply by hand, the foam metal polishing cone is the tool for the job. Thank you for watching. For more information on the foam metal polishing cone, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.